Garbage everywhere. It's a problem that's been piling up in most Indian cities for years, rising along with economic growth. A report from a non-profit group says while some small cities are managing their waste, many larger cities are not.
The money allocated for solid waste generation is very less. Most of our municipalities are undercapacitated. They don't even have enough staff to, effectively manage sanitation as well as solid waste management.
In some cities such as Mumbai, people live near and even atop overcapacity landfills, while governments look for more dumping sites. Environmentalists we spoke to say simply finding more landfill space doesn't address the problem of reducing the waste itself. Also, the various types of waste that make their way into landfills can leak dangerous materials into the environment. Both are issues being addressed by groups here working on the ground. Jay Prakash Chaudhary used to pick up garbage from the roads of New Delhi, selling what he could to make a living. Now he's a supervisor with the Safai Sena, or Clean Army, which gives employment to poor garbage pickers.
We sort things like metal and plastic from the garbage. 70% of it is recycled or composted. The other 30% we take to the landfill. If we didn't do this, there would be no room to move in Delhi because of all the garbage on the ground.
This and similar non-profit groups have sprung up from the lack of waste management facilities, being called silent environmentalists by some as a low-cost and low-tech solution to cities' waste problems.
20 to 25% of waste that is generated in any city is actually being recycled by kabadis, by waste pickers. So if Delhi generates about 8,000 to 10,000 metric tons of waste every day, about 2,000 to 3,000 tons is just being recycled by waste pickers.
Some cities are experimenting with new landfill techniques to break down the garbage. The report's authors say the best way is for garbage to be separated before reaching the landfill, along with education to reduce the amount of waste being produced in the first place. Faiz Jamil, Al Jazeera, New Delhi.